Hi, Tony Fennell, Prime Motor Cars, your Sprinter guy. My cell is 978-764-1232. Want to show you this 21 M2CA 4.6. It's the rear wheel drive, blue-gray, cargo, 144 wheelbase, high roof. A lot of nice features in this. Special painted black wheels, the Continental winter tires, you can run those. Shouldn't stop you. That beautiful blue-gray color. This is perfect for an upfitter to deck it out, you know, adventure style, even though it's not four-wheel drive. You can see the hitch with the step, the 7-prong electrical right here. The doors, 270 degrees, just about kiss the quarter panels. High roof, a lot of space. Grab handle right here to assist to get in. Hardboard side paneling, the wood floors, anti-slip, 6D rings, a lot of height. The MBUX has swivel seats. Show you those. I'll get the side door open. Panel right here to get in. Swivel seats. Get a view over here. The black leatherette, the MBUX touchscreen. It's got the armrest pad right here. Heated seats. Tony Fennell, give me a call, 978-764-1232. I'll go over all the options with you.